I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, moody, nasty, yeah. Acting stupid, what's happening? Bitch, what's happening? Bitch, I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet.
Hey guys, it's Ashley the Mogul and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I completely understand. We all make mistakes. Just make sure you hit that subscribe button below so you don't miss a video. If you guys see me looking around a lot, it's because of my cat. Yes, I have a cat now, but that's another story for another video. Now, yes. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about the claws, les talons, les nails, les hands. Since a lot of us are still in quarantine and we are not able to go out and get our nails done, like moi, honestly, the nail salons here in my city are open. However, I just do not feel comfortable going to the nail salon just yet. Too many people in there. Also, I used to go to and will, once we are allowed to, go to a private nail tech. And when I say private nail tech, I mean like she literally only takes a few clients, which is what I love because we all love to be exclusive, honey. I love to be exclusive. So I have switched over and have always loved press-on nails. I love press-on nails because you can change them out so fast. You can literally change them out daily if you're not gluing them on. Like, you can do all kinds of things when it comes to press-ons. And I honestly just love having my nails done. Like, I love having my nails done. In this video, I will be installing my TresShe press-on nails. And I actually heard about her years ago from Aaliyah J. And she used to wear these press-on nails, and she still does tag them very often. So I was like, let me just go ahead and, you know, see what she's talking about. Now, throughout the pandemic, I have tried multiple press-on nail companies. And honestly, TresShe has been the one that I like. I love the packaging. I love the quality. I love the way that it opens up the eyelash case. I also love how on the back, she has directions and pictures on how to put on your nails. The nails that I am installing in this video are the sexing nails. And the ones that I want to order next are the porn star nails. Now, these nails that I have on, these are literally just some nails I got from the beauty supply store for the time being. If you guys would like to hear some tea on how I install my press-on nails, how long they lasted me, the durability, and all the good tea on the TresShe, then make sure you guys continue to watch this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys at the end of the video. One thing that I do love about these press-on sets is that it comes with everything you need. So as you can see, it comes with the top 5 nails in the tray, then it comes with the nail glue, a nail file and buffer, the extra nails in the little baggie, her own nail cleanser / alcohol wipes, and the gel tabs. First, I'm going to begin by pushing my cuticles back so that when I put the nails on, they look as natural as possible, like they're growing out of my nails. I really like to have press-on nails that they have that curve to the back of the nail so that it looks natural with that natural curve that your natural nails have. Any other times, some of the nails are flat or they don't have any dimension, and you can tell when you look at them that they look like press-ons. If you prefer to cut your cuticles, you're more than welcome. I would still suggest that you push your cuticles back first and then cut off the excess growth. But I just prefer to push my cuticles back instead of cutting them because I am not a professional nail tech, and the last time I cut up my hand, okay? So I'm going to use the nail file / buffer that comes in the kit, which is actually the nail file side, to buff the top of my nail to roughen it so that the nail adheres better with the nail glue. This is actually the most important part to me. You want to make sure that you dump out all of the nails so that you can see everyone that comes in the set, so that you can start to measure them to your real natural nails. Now you want to press down on the nail as if you are trying to adhere it with glue, because you want to make sure that when you press it down with the glue that it spreads out and covers your full nail. None of your natural nails should be showing on the sides or in the back towards your cuticle. The fake press-on, fake nail, artificial nail should cover your full entire natural nail. Then you want to lay them out in order and arrange them so that way it's easier for you to glue them on and you're not trying to size every time you have to glue the next finger. So my middle finger doesn't grow straight out like the rest of my nails do. For some reason it grows out like a fan. So it's really hard for me to find nails that fit that one middle finger, and my thumb sometimes too. But one thing I love about this set, another thing I love about this set, is that they come with 0.5s. So I was able to look between the 4.5 and the 5.5 to figure out which one would fit me best. So I'm going to take the alcohol wipe and cleanse off all the dust and debris that was on my nails from when I cleaned my cuticles as well as started buffing them. In the kit, it comes with a 2-gram nail glue, which is standard nail glue size. I love that it's customized and has the logo on it, as well as it is sealed on the inside and it has the cap on the top. And you also have to cut the tip of that. I love that because it's like triple sealed. So for me to get the nails to stick on, because I am clumsy, I like to cover my full nail in nail glue as well as put nail glue on the base of the artificial nail. And when it's time for me to apply, I like to push all the way back to my cuticle and then hold and press down for 20 seconds. Making sure that you're keeping very still so you don't get any air bubbles within the nail, because these are jelly nails and they will show. Even if they're not jelly nails, if you get any air bubbles, the nails will not last as long. Now, remember when I was saying my middle finger grows kind of weird? So when I find a nail that covers my full nail, I always have to end up filing the sides so that it just doesn't look as wide. So on the left is the before and on the right is the after. I really just like for them to look narrow. So after I saw the nails, I wore the nails for quite a few days. However, I ended up having to twist my hair. So I oil my scalp, and you girls know if you don't know, when it comes to natural hair, it's just a process. So I oiled my scalp and I started doing my hair, and the strands from my hair started to like wrap around my nails to the point where it was getting up in the cuticle and like pulling the nail, and then the oil from my hair was getting inside the nail, causing the nail to lift. Now that'll happen with any type of nails. That'll happen if you get your nails professionally done at the nail salon. It just happens because it's oil. So with that being said, I looked on the website and I seen that she had a product called Nail Dehydrator. I literally ordered that Nail Dehydrator today, as well as the drill, because the drill will help you drill off the built up glue behind the nail. And because those are jelly nails, I cannot reapply them without them looking cakey if I don't drill off that nail glue underneath. So I really wish I would have purchased it all together in the beginning, but I was like, Nail Dehydrator, I'll use some alcohol wipes. Like, it's not that deep. But sis, it's that deep. Especially if you use your hands a lot, you wash your hands a lot, you know, you do hair, anything like that. I definitely would recommend that Nail Dehydrator. The durability of these nails were amazing. I literally did everything that I normally do. Wash dishes, clean up around the house. You know, I open things normally. The quality of these nails are so... like, another thing I love about TresShe is the nails are numbered, but she has half sizes. So my middle fingers are very, very weird. Like, they don't grow straight up like most nails would. They literally grow like narrow at the cuticle and then they fan out. It came with a full set of nails. I'm not sure how many. It came with a full set of nails so that, you know, you can have different sizes that match different sizes versus you having to measure your fingers and then tell them what size you need and they send them to you. So yes, I really, really love these nails and I just wish I would have been able to wear them longer. I would just be sure next time to use the Nail Dehydrator when I do install these nails again and the drill comes in so I can file them down. Other than that, I have no complaints about these nails. If you guys would like to see a hair routine on this hairstyle, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel because that will be up after this video. But just make sure you subscribe and put your notifications on, because if you had your notifications on, you wouldn't have to worry about that, right? I hope you guys got a little bit of insight and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Share this video with your friends. Send it in a group message. And sis, if you don't got your nails done, go get you some press-ons. I highly recommend. You want to say hi? Say hi.
I'm a savage.